Water. The source of life. Without it, nothing on our planet could exist. But today, this vital resource is under threat, contaminated, inaccessible, or even scarce. In many places, drinking water has become a luxury. Millions of people face the harsh reality of water scarcity. Additionally, water transportation, buying, moving, and distributing it, is a challenge that affects everyone, generating high costs, and harming the environment. And where water is available, its quality is compromised by microplastics, PFAS, pharmaceuticals, and other invisible chemicals that endanger our health and the planet's well-being. But what if we told you that the solution has always been around us? The air we breathe holds an inexhaustible source of pure water. Plug in and drink. AguaPARS transforms the humidity in the air into high-quality drinking water, free from contaminants, without the need for wells, pipelines, or plastic. Your water source, wherever you need it. Through a process that mimics the natural phenomenon of dew, our systems collect moisture, without disrupting the ecosystem's balance. Using recirculation, triple filtration, and a UV lamp, the water remains fresh, clean, and enriched only with essential minerals. With AguaPARS, pure water reaches us in perfect harmony with nature, vibrating at 432 Hz, in sync with the natural rhythm of life. Energy efficient, no installation, no transportation, no environmental impact. Say goodbye to plastic bottles and jugs. Enjoy a sustainable, safe, and accessible water source. Where can AguaPARS atmospheric water generators be used? AguaPARS offers solutions for every need. Generators for homes and offices, educational environments, stores, agriculture, farms, and disaster relief. From units that produce 10 liters per day to large-scale production plants of up to 10,000 liters daily, with unlimited capacity when combined. Get your AguaPARS today and enjoy pure water, in harmony with nature's rhythm. AguaPARS, water at 432 Hz. Pure water, in harmony with the rhythm of nature.